Check this out. When I say I got them colors, I definitely got those colors. Oh yeah, check this one out. The cranberry on cinnamon. Hustle hard. Oh yeah. Then I call this one the South Beach Xcellent Dreamz original. You know, that's the South Beach nighttime, I guess. Here go the South Beach daytime. You know what I mean? Hold on. And we got the gold and black. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Had to get that from all angles. That, cause it, you know, it's crushed. Then we got the white with the pretty blue. Oh, then we got the South Beach Chameleon edition. Oh yeah. I got these going $35 a piece. Come holler at me, you know, you want something fresh, you know, something exclusive, something one of a kind. You know, email me at Xcellent Dreamz. There go the spelling right there. Xcellent Dreamz. There go the spelling again, in case you didn't get it. Xcellent Dreamz. You can get these shirts, this Xcellent Dreamz Original Supreme. You can get it in pretty much any color shirt with any color songs. Just email me.